Tired of clicking through drop-down menus to update deal stages? Drag and drop your way to faster pipeline management in Pipedrive. Seriously, if you're still opening that little menu and picking a stage one by one, you are wasting so much time. In just a few seconds, you can slide a deal exactly where it needs to go, and it feels so much more natural. Let me show you exactly how to make that happen. I'll walk you through the whole thing, from opening Pipedrive to making sure the update actually stuck. No fluff, just the step you need.
All right, let's start. First, open up Pipedrive in your browser. Just get logged in and on the main dashboard. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with a few options. Click on Deals. That's going to pull up your pipeline view, which might take a moment to load depending on how many deals you have. Give it just a second. Now, here's where you find the deal you want to move. Look through the columns on your screen. Each column represents a different stage in your sales process, like new lead or proposal sent.
Find the card for the deal you want to update. It's usually a small rectangle with the deal name and value on it. Got it? Perfect. So here's the key part. Click and hold down on that deal card. Don't just click it. Keep your mouse button held down. You'll feel the card kind of lift off the page, almost like you're picking up a sticky note. And now, while you're still holding, start dragging it to the right. You're going to slide that card over to the column for the new stage. For example, if you're moving a deal from qualified to proposal, just drag it straight to that column. Keep moving the card until it's hovering right over the column you want. You'll see the other deals in that column shift slightly to make room. That's your cue that you're in the right spot. Now, release the mouse button. Let go of the card. Pipedrive will process that change, and you might see a quick loading spinner. It usually happens in a blink. Now, let's verify it worked. Look at the column you dropped the deal into. You should see that deal card sitting there with all the others. And here's a nice touch. Take a glance at the top of your pipeline. The total value for each column will update automatically. So if you just moved a $10,000 deal, that number will jump in the new stage and drop in the old one. That's a great way to double-check everything is accurate without having to click around. And that's really all there is to it. As your deal moves through your sales process, you can keep doing this. Maybe it goes from proposal to negotiation next week. Just grab it and drag it again. It works the same way every single time. You can also apply this to multiple deals. Just repeat the process for each one. One last tip before we wrap up. If you have a lot of deals on screen, make sure you're not accidentally dropping a card into the wrong column. The visual feedback is pretty clear, but it never hurts to take that extra second to verify. In my experience, the biggest mistake people make is dragging too fast and landing on the wrong stage. So just take a breath, line it up, and let go. That's how you move a deal in Pipedrive using drag and drop. No more digging through drop-downs, no more second guessing. Just a smooth, fast way to keep your pipeline accurate. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.